Do you want to speak English confidently every day? Then repeat these powerful daily English sentences with me. These sentences are simple, natural, and very useful in real life. Listen carefully, repeat loudly, and practice every day. Let's start. Part 1. Morning sentences. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you today? 3. I am feeling great. 4. Let's start the day. 5. Wake up early every day. 6. Time is very important. 7. I am ready for work. 8. I need some water. 9. Let's have breakfast. 10. Today will be amazing. Part 2. Motivation sentences. 11. I believe in myself. 12. I can do this. 13. Never give up. 14. Keep moving forward. 15. Practice makes perfect. 16. Success takes time. 17. Stay positive always. 18. Small steps matter. 19. Dreams come true. 20. Work hard every day. Part 3. Daily life sentences. 21. I am going outside. 22. Please open the door. 23. Close the window, please. 24. I am cleaning my room. 25. The weather is nice today. 26. I need some help. 27. Please wait a minute. 28. I am getting ready. 29. Let's go together. 30. I am coming now. Part 4. School and work sentences. 31. I am busy right now. 32. Let's finish the work. 33. I have a meeting today. 34. Please send the file. 35. I understand this lesson. 36. Can you explain again? 37. I am learning English daily. 38. Practice speaking every day. 39. English is very important. 40. I will improve myself. Part 5. Friendship sentences. 41. Nice to meet you. 42. How was your day? 43. Thank you so much. 44. You are very kind. 45. I really appreciate it. 46. Let's stay connected. 47. I missed you a lot. 48. Take care of yourself. 49. See you tomorrow. 50. Have a wonderful day. Part 6. Travel sentences. 51. Where are you going? 52. I'm going home. 53. Please call a taxi. 54. How much is this? 55. I need a ticket. 56. The bus is late. 57. I am waiting here. 58. This place is beautiful. 59. I love traveling. 60. Let's take a picture. Part 7. Shopping sentences. 61. I want to buy this. 62. Do you have discounts? 63. This is too expensive. 64. I like this color. 65. Can I try this? 66. I need something cheap. 67. Please pack this. 68. I am just looking. 69. Where is the cashier? 70. Thank you for your service. Part 8. Food sentences. 71. I am very hungry. 72. The food smells good. 73. I would like tea. 74. This food is delicious. 75. please give me water. 76. Let's eat together. 77. I love spicy food. 78. The coffee is hot. 79. I am full now. 80. Dinner was amazing. Part 9. Phone and Internet sentences. 81. Please call me later. 82. I sent you a message. 83. Check your phone. 84. My internet is slow. 85. I am watching YouTube. 86. Let's make a video. 87. Send me the link. 88. I am online now. 89. The battery is low. 90. Charge your phone. Part 10. Night sentences. 91. I am very tired. 92. Today was beautiful. 93. Let's sleep early. 94. Good night, everyone. 95. See you soon. 96. Tomorrow is another chance. 97. Never stop learning. 98. Keep smiling always. 99. Believe in your future. 100. You can speak English fluently. Practice these sentences every day. Repeat them again and again. Slowly, your English will become powerful and fluent. This is Mr. Fluent. See you in the next lesson.